Okay, day 7. We are 1 week in on how to build a 100% automated online business that sells. Yesterday, I talked about the databases that you needed to build and also the properties on each of the databases. And what's next? What am I going to do to actually start building the business? What I've done in the very beginning is I wrote a document to guide me through the process. That's why what I have here. So it's cookie and then start here. And by the way, I think that you should figure out a naming convention for everything that's related to your business. What I do is cookie, which is the name of the business. And then I have a divider. And then I have what is the document about. Let's say that tomorrow I'm building a document that is related to a customer, not cookie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say customer name, divider, whatever the file is about. And I suggest that you guys also find a naming convention that actually makes sense to you guys. If you look into the document itself, let me open the document. And by the way, over here, you're going to see a little icon, which is pretty much switching the mode. I'm going to switch to center peak, so it's easier for you guys to see what I've done. Yesterday, I briefly talked about, okay, what type of document it is. It's a business document. It's related to the business, when I created it, what it's all about, if it's active or not, and it is active. I began very basic, telling the story to myself, what I'm trying to accomplish, right? So what is the idea? The idea is to build 100% automated business from scratch. What is the strategy? The strategy is to begin document the process in TikTok and then followed by the other social media channels. That might change in the future. Some people agree that I should just stick to one channel. Some people agree that I should actually expand to other channels. We'll see, right? And what are the products and services that I'm going to be selling? In my case, specifically, all the automations that I'm going to be building, I am actually going to be selling them as a standalone automation that customers can actually buy on my e-commerce, right? You could be doing something completely different, which is fine too. And then a secondary product is an online course on how to do it. So the video series on TikTok is the what to do. And then eventually there's going to be an online course which much more details on how to do it, right? The other thing that I actually have it written down is all the products that I mentioned have an affiliate link so that the revenue reverts back to the business for this video series. And one call out that I made was there should be at least 2 videos posts per week. I'm actually doing one every day almost, but it's a goal. So what are the tactics? That's me writing to myself. Set up a Notion workspace, give it a name, and then structure the initial databases, which I've talked about yesterday. Create accounts. So here we go. I'm talking about TikTok account, Google's Workspace account, Loom, if you're going to be using Loom to actually edit your videos, Descript, School, Notion, Make, Zapier, Hop.io, some e-commerce, Canva, OpenAI. We're going to need all of those accounts. I wanted to show you guys this today. We're going to be moving on to the documents that we're going to be creating based still on this document here. So it doesn't end there. For today, I think this is enough. But as you'll see, tomorrow I'm going to be exploring all the other things that I've been doing to get the business up and running. For today, I think it's enough. Just create these accounts. And if you guys do have a question, just send me a DM, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next video.